Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the ZTE Nubia Z80 Ultra and the iPhone 17. Today, we're diving deep into their most jaw-dropping features, from the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 versus Apple's A19 chip, to massive battery capacities, stunning displays, and cutting-edge camera tech. Which phone nails performance, display brilliance, and photography? Can the Nubia's 7200 mAh battery outlast the iPhone's powerhouse efficiency? And with price points so different, is the iPhone really worth the premium? Stay tuned because this comparison might just flip your loyalty. So, which flagship truly deserves your cash? Let's find out. The Nubia Z80 Ultra boasts a larger 6.85-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, while the iPhone 17 offers a slightly smaller 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate but a higher peak brightness of 3000 nits. The Nubia's 3000 Hz touch sampling rate and under-display camera push the boundaries of immersive CAC. But Apple's ultra-bright display with Dolby Vision and thinner bezels promises unmatched visual clarity and color accuracy. The key takeaway? Nubia focuses on sheer speed and size, while iPhone delivers peak brightness and cinematic HDR experience, making both displays leaders in their own right. Under the hood, Nubia's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.6 GHz outperforms the iPhone 17's Apple A19 hexa-core at 4.26 GHz in raw core speed and multi-threading prowess. Nubia's Adreno 840 GPU also promises superior graphical horsepower compared to Apple's 5-core GPU. This means Nubia might have the edge in heavy multitasking and gaming scenarios, while Apple's optimized ecosystem ensures smooth everyday performance. It's a classic power versus efficiency battle. Benchmark scores confirm Nubia's dominance, with an Antutu score of nearly 3 million, significantly higher than iPhone's 2.1 million. Geekbench and 3D Mark also favor Nubia, highlighting its superior raw processing and graphical capabilities. For gamers and power users craving peak performance, Nubia clearly leads, but real-world experience may still favor iPhone's optimized software. Nubia dazzles with its Red Magic gaming engine, liquid metal cooling, and 80-watt wireless charging, perfect for hardcore gamers and fast recharging. Meanwhile, iPhone 17 shines with emergency SOS via satellite, ultra-wideband Gen 2 for precise spatial awareness, and live voicemail, showcasing Apple's focus on safety, connectivity, and user convenience. Nubia packs raw tech power. iPhone prioritizes smart everyday features. The Nubia Ultra's triple camera setup includes a standout 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 2.7x optical zoom and OIS, ideal for detailed distant shots, while the iPhone 17 features a 48-megapixel wide sensor with sensor shift OIS and Dolby Vision HDR video up to 60 fps. Nubia's under-display selfie camera contrasts with iPhone's 18-megapixel multi-aspect front camera with SL3D depth sensing for superior portrait and biometric precision. The Nubia excels in zoom versatility. iPhone leads in video and selfie tech. Nubia's 50x lossless zoom and AI-powered photography assistant push mobile photography boundaries, while iPhone's fusion cameras and photographic styles with bright option enhance image quality with natural tones and creative control. Nubia's RetroKit 2.0 adds nostalgic flair, whereas iPhone's dual capture video and macro photography offer versatility for creators. Nubia brings zoom and AI magic, iPhone delivers refined image processing and style. The Nubia Z80 Ultra's massive 7200 mAh battery dwarfs the iPhone's 3692 mAh cell, promising significantly longer usage and less frequent charging. For power users and gamers, Nubia's battery capacity is a game-changer, while iPhone relies on software optimization and fast charging to balance its smaller battery. Both phones sport premium glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the iPhone's ceramic Shield 2 front glass offers enhanced durability and scratch resistance. Nubia sticks to classic glass but pairs it with high-end build quality. Apple's material innovation adds peace of mind for rough usage. Nubia offers IP68, IP69 certification, protecting against dust and high-pressure water jets, making it tough for extreme conditions. The iPhone 17 also has IP68, but can survive deeper immersion up to 6 meters. Plus, it supports Apple Pay with Visa, MasterCard, and Amex certifications, adding seamless payment convenience. Nubia is built for rugged durability. iPhone combines water resistance with ecosystem perks. Nubia leads with up to 1 terabyte storage paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, catering to heavy multitasking and large media storage. The iPhone 17 offers up to 512 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes RAM, sufficient for most users but less than Nubia's max specs. Nubia targets power users needing massive memory. iPhone balances performance with efficiency. Price-wise, Nubia starts around $800, undercutting the iPhone 17's $1,100 tag. Considering Nubia's larger battery, higher refresh rate display, and stronger raw performance, it presents a compelling value proposition. But will the iPhone's polished ecosystem and premium features justify the extra cost for you? That's the million-dollar question.